Take a slow breath in. Let your body settle. Release urgency. You are not here to force outcomes. You are here to align frequency. As you listen, repetition will do the work. Each statement you hear is designed to retrain your nervous system, sharpen your focus, and elevate your default state. This is first-person identity reinforcement, meant to be practiced daily, especially in the morning. You do not chase abundance. You tune to it. Scarcity vibrates low because it contracts, rushes, and resists. Abundance vibrates high because it is calm, steady, and receptive. Today, you choose steadiness. You choose alignment. You choose expansion without strain. Stand, sit, or walk with intention. Let each affirmation land. Allow the frequency to rise. This is not about believing harder. It is about remembering who you are. Begin now. Welcome to Elevate Your Mind, Elevate Your Wealth, Daily Motivation, Focus, Discipline, and Success YouTube channel. This is a space for discipline, clarity, and steady self-mastery. These affirmations and guided visualizations are designed for daily repetition, especially in the morning, so you can begin your day grounded, focused, and in control. You don't need motivation here. You don't need to feel inspired. You only need to show up. As you listen, allow the words to settle. Repeat them if you choose. Breathe deeply, and let consistency do the work. If this practice supports your growth, like the video to reinforce the habit. Subscribe to make discipline part of your daily routine. And hit the bell so structure meets you here with each new release. Now, get comfortable. Take a slow breath in. And begin. Everything is energy. Scarcity vibrates low. Abundance vibrates high. Section 1. Everything is energy.